How to start today. Hoka hey, hoka hey. Let's see. If I could save time in a bottle, if words could make wishes come true, I would save every day till eternity passes away. I would spend them with you, the viewers of this show. Hey everybody, welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today we've got another a song by Jim Croce. This is just one of the greatest BOOZHOO, one of the greatest stories ever written in a song. You know, I mean, Jim Croce was just poetry. So this is a story. It's called Operator. And for you kids, back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a time when telephones, hung on the wall in the kitchen, and there'd be like a cord. And if you didn't know a phone number, you'd dial 0, and an operator, a lady would come on. She'd be like, "Operator," and you'd say, "Hey, operator, can you help me find this phone number?" And you'd have a conversation with an actual person. And so this is a story at BOOZHOO about a man who calls the operator, and he wants to find this phone number of his girlfriend who left him for his best friend. And he was betrayed by two people he loved. So all right, why don't you take it away? This is Operator by Jim Croce, and this is Michael Lyons and Natasha. Operator, can you help me place this call? See, the number on the matchbook is old and faded. She's living in LA with my best old ex-friend Ray, the guy that she said she knew once and almost hated. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show. Overcome the blow, I've learned to take it well. Only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. That's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. Operator, can you help me place this call? I can't see the number that you just gave me. There's something in my eyes. You know it happens every time. Think about the love that I thought would save me. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it. I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show. I've overcome the blow, I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. That's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. that's not the way it feels. No, no, no. Operator, oh, let's forget about that call. There's no one there I really needed to talk to. Thank you for your time. Oh, you've been so much more than kind. You can keep the dime. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine. And the show, overcome the blow, I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. No, no, no. Oh. That was great, you guys. That was Jim Croce and Operator. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons. This is Natasha. BOOZHOO! And this is Nana BOOZHOO. Okay! I will see you again. Giga Wabamin! Minawa. Hoa. 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 Na 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 na. Thank you! Good night! And the crowd goes wild. We love you! You should smash your guitar now, Michael. I don't think so. Yeah, I wouldn't do it either.